Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nine. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're starting off, I'm showing you the state of my hair. This is how my hair looks after a blowout, and I'll show you guys a quick part of my blowout routine. But you're going to need clips or something, a brush, and whatever kind of flexi rods you want. I have multiple kinds there. Some type of a light oil. This is Biosilk. It's on the expensive side, but you can get it from TJ Maxx. So I'm just showing you guys. I use my Revlon blow dryer to blow out my hair, and then I just go in with the chaser method with my flat irons on 400 degrees, and that is how I blow out my hair. So these clips are from about like maybe 2 weeks before I filmed this video. So I just wanted to show you guys like parts of the clips of how I got everything. So I'm just going to show you how I get like my curly blowout look. So we're going to need the Nairobi Wrap and Shine foam and any kind of like, I don't know, like butter or some type of like hair, like wax or pomade or something like that. As you can see, like my hair is pretty long, and it got like this just randomly. So I just wanted to share like a few tips with you guys on how to like maximize your hair growth and some things that I did. Starting out like back in 2017, something I did was I went pescatarian. So I was eating a lot of like healthy fats and a lot of like omega-3s. So that's like a lot of salmon, avocado, healthy grains and stuff like that. And I was drinking way more water than I had typically was because I was trying to, change my lifestyle up. So I was pescatarian for about like a year or so, and that is when I noticed the most hair growth, and that is also when I did the least amount of things with my hair. So I had gotten my hair maybe blown out once professionally in that time period, and then from then on I wear loose buns and like low tension hairstyles that doesn't require a lot of pulling to the hair and the scalp. And another tip is I used organic hair care. If you can, I'll link my last hair video in the card so you can see what I mean when I say I used organic hair care. Organic Grow was one of the main hair cares that I used that was organic, and it had no chemicals and stuff in it, and it really did wonders for like not even just the growth of my hair, but the state of my curls and like the elasticity and stuff like that. So I would recommend trying out organic hair growth. It is on the expensive side, but if you can at least just get like a deep conditioner and the scalp oil, that will really like take your hair to the next level. And you can go on their page and see people hair grow from everything. People with alopecia, people with like postpartum hair loss, their hair has been growing like crazy. So yeah, and then the next thing is rosemary oil. Rosemary has great benefits, and I'll try to link some like resources down below, but anything with rosemary in it, like I would definitely recommend like looking into getting some type of rosemary oil and putting it on your hair, in your scalp. That really is something that I do now, and I could see like the difference in my hair all the time, and my hair is getting longer. So people are always like, well, are you still trying to grow your hair? And I'm like, no. So I stopped using like hair growth products like maybe a couple months ago, because I realized like my hair is now to a length where I don't want it to be any longer, because it's going to be even more tedious than it is now. And then finally, the last thing is to keep your scalp clear. So using a clarifying shampoo every like month or so, and trying to use products that don't build up on your scalp, and keeping your scalp nice and moisturized and clear. That's like the main way like your hair follicles can grow when it's clear. When it's so much buildup and dirty and it has all these products, it's super hard for your hair to grow. And I know it's not the case for everyone, but I noticed that for me. And yeah, so definitely pay attention to your hair as well. But using a clarifying shampoo once a month at least, depending on your hair porosity, and seeing a professional. Keeping your hair moisturized. And when I say moisturized, I mean not with oils, I mean with water. Water is the best moisturizer. So something that I like to do is use a water-based hair serum in my scalp. And that's why I don't blow my hair out as often, because when our hair is blown out, I'm forced to use just oil to seal in the moisture, which is okay. My hair is pretty healthy for that, but you want to try to keep your hair, your scalp moisturized with water or water-based products, and then seal it in with the oil when you can. I try not to use a lot of oil on my hair, so maybe like once a week when my hair is in a natural state. But when my hair is, of course, blown out, I use oil like twice a week or so, because I can't use water-based products. But yeah, those are my tips for long hair growth. And I'm just showing you here this Nairobi wrap stuff. You're like, why are you using wrapping foam on your blown out hair? Because this is like one of the best, look at my face. This is like one of the best products I've ever used on straight hair to get like the blowout effect without having to use hot curlers. So I already blown out my hair, and I've already, done it. The first time I did it, I had gotten like these like beach wave effects. I'll insert a picture, and I didn't use the Nairobi wrap foam, and it didn't last as long. But now that my blowout is older, I want my little curls to last longer, so that's why I use the wrap foam. And as you can see, I sleep on my flexi rods. I don't use a lot of them, so it's not uncomfortable to sleep. And as you can see, the curl is much more thicker, and I use smaller rollers in the front because I want that Hollywood, Hollywood wave effect. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see how I blow out my hair at home. And yeah, I will let the video play out, and you guys will see the final results. So thank you for tuning in. Happy Vlogmas, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet.